annoy me.
Whoa.
Come on, little camera.
Andrew, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh shit, I've lost control. Oh. I know what it may be. Memory card full.
Ah, yes.
That's it. I'm going to film this truck, it's the last thing I do.
Holy.
Mine will not go hot, it's running down.
Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh no! It's fine.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Holy shit, Andrew. Fuck!
I thought that's what the ring said.
Where are we going again?
Oh, mine won't go any higher.
Dead. too good. I could never do anything like that.
Right, that'll do. Ow, that hurt. Oh, it really hurt my finger.
Not connecting.
It's run down. Oh, isn't it?
Hello.
Are you going to go big?
No.
Okay, cool. You're filming it. Oh, I'll film it.
I'm filming it on my head, mate.
Oh, yeah. I swear yours is an upgrade because it's so much smoother. Out of that lot, we have got to have something with. Imagine you just scratch it now. It sounds like an aircraft. Yes, you are. Mate, tonight is all about, mate.
Shit, that nearly went very wrong.
Yeah, I really wouldn't.
What the fuck? Andrew, they came so close there.
Oh no, I've lost it, mate.
Mine's like,
Oh no. Is that you doing that?
yeah. Holy shit, look how high mine is.
You are high.
I saw your neighbours as I was arriving. Holy! Andrew, did you see how they, yeah, did you see how they...
Mate, this is for the footage. Think how good the footage will be.
Andrew, are you aiming for my helicopter?
No. Because oh no, my searchlight isn't working. believe it. Mate, the biggest mistake is to examine your helicopter with your controller in hand and it switched
Yeah.
off. It hurts so much. Oh, bollocks. I've lost the light. I'm lightless. I think last week's damage was more...
Yeah, I saw your mates. What's that? Joe and Andrew, is it?
Oh,
Is that
Joe and
them?
Alex.
Alex.
Yeah,
Alex. Yeah.
They're nice people.
Has he bought one yet?
No, he's going to. He's flipping... When they came to visit, when they popped round, he absolutely loved it. Oh, mate, you've got a flipping light on.
Shit.
Mate. You've got it. The best thing to do when you start losing control is just take it higher.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, because when you start, because that's when it hits things. You bringing yours down?
Yeah. I lost control there.
I want to get some good acrobatic footage. And I think we've already got some tonight.
That was bad. I'm going really high today.
Mate. Yeah, you are. You're constantly higher than me, mate. And I'm just too scared to take it up for some reason.
You're off his car.
I'm worried.
That wasn't going to be good.
Mine's running down. I don't think this thing's as good as it used to be.
I think it's the motor.
I think it's the battery. I mean, I'm amazed that this has survived how it has. We must have been out here 6 minutes flying already, though.
Shit, it's been caught by the wind.
Yeah, it is. Mate, compared to a few weeks ago, we are absolutely blessed. We could go on Britain's Got Talent.
Shit. Holy shit, mate. I just literally lost control.